Welcome to Automation in Loan Origination System, a case study in the microfinance industry. This case study will introduce us to loan origination system in microfinance industry. Importance of microfinance in providing financial services to underserved population. Challenges faced by microfinance institutions, MFIs, and need for efficient loan processing. Microfinance institutions often face challenges such as high operational cost and inefficiencies in loan processing. Addressing these issues is crucial for their sustainability and growth. Traditional loan origination processes are often manual, leading to errors, delays, and high operational costs. Additionally, the lack of standardization leads to failure of compliances and regulation. This also leads to poor customer experience, which hinders the growth and efficiency of microfinance institutions. Now let us see how automation in loan origination system is done. Automation in loan origination involves using technology to streamline and standardize the loan application process. This involves lead collection, credit scoring check, CRIF, documentation, LAF, CAM, and decision-making, all integrated seamlessly with existing system. Automating the loan origination process offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency and reducing processing time, lower operational cost, improved accuracy, enhanced customer experience, and better compliance and reporting. Let's take a closer look at our case study. Our client, a leading Indian business correspondent in microfinance, leverages its deep expertise in rural finance and financial inclusion. They implemented automation in their loan origination process. Let's focus on their objectives, implementation, and key performance metrics, and how these KPI improved after automation. The implementation process involved assessing current processes, selecting the right automation tools, customizing the solution to fit the institution's needs. Have a glance on screens which will give an idea how automation in LAF, CAM, CRIF, and in legal and technical done digitally for loan origination process optimization. The whole process starts with automating loan application form. LAF stage provides the microfinancer with the information needed to assess the borrower's creditworthiness and make a lending decision. Automating LAF not only enhances operational efficiency and reduces costs but also improves customer service and regulatory compliance, positioning microfinance institutions for sustainable growth. Automating the CAM stage in credit appraisal not only improves the speed and accuracy of decision-making but also enhances collaboration among stakeholders such as RO, branch manager and credit manager, reduces operational costs, strengthens risk management practices, ensures regulatory compliance, and provides scalability for future growth. Automating CRIF report generation not only improves the accuracy, efficiency, and speed of credit assessment processes but also supports compliance, reduces costs, and enhances the overall effectiveness of microfinance operations. These benefits collectively contribute to a more competitive and customer-centric financial institution. The results were impressive. The institution reduced loan processing time by 60 to 90%, more than 90% automation in documentation, and improved customer satisfaction by 80 to 90%. Additionally, compliance and reporting accuracy were significantly enhanced. In conclusion, automating loan origination processes can significantly enhance business performance in the microfinance industry. We encourage institutions to consider adopting automation to reap these benefits. We look forward to discussing future opportunities with you. Thank you. To know more about how you could automate your loan origination process, reach us on number displayed on the screen or email us. Feel free to disturb us on our social media channels. Explore more about our services on given website.